It's Valentine season, so let's celebrate by making some cute teacup box cards today. These are perfect for both Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, and they are also great for using 6x6 paper pads or your scraps. I used this paper pad by Carta Bella, which is a sister company to Echo Park, and I absolutely love this paper, as you know. So let's get started. Let's get started by putting the cup front together. Super simple, just 3 pieces. And we are also going to put the flaps on the side of the card. And this is what is going to give the card its box shape. So fold along those perforated lines that your machine cut out for you. And you can't really see here because the camera didn't pick it up and they're very faint, which is good so it doesn't show on your finished product. But there are 4 little lines that the machine perforates into your cup itself, and those lines show you exactly where to put these middle flaps. So line your flap up with the lines on the cup and give it a good squish to make sure your glue is completely adhered. And once you have that done, we will set that aside to dry for a minute, and we are going to make the internal flap, which for this card is the heart steam coming out of the cup. Now that our cup has had a little bit of time to dry, we're going to put the back of the cup on, and for this, again, you have those 4 slits that are cut by your machine to show you where to put your glue, and we're just going to line that up, and again, we're going to give it a very good press once we have it exactly where we want it, and it's okay if it moves a little bit. You can always push it down again. And that's why I love using Elmer's glue for this, because I have a little bit of time to make adjustments. Because even though these are super easy to put together, sometimes it's like the paper slides on you and you want to fix it. So that's why I use the Elmer's glue. And I'm just going to fold this and push really hard to make sure my glue stays. And my table wiggles a little bit because I use a card table. Now we are going to put our insert in. I just slide it without glue first to make sure I know where I want it, and then I glue the sides. And slide it right in the box. It fits perfectly. And I'm going to give it a good push here on the sides just to make sure it sticks, and I'm also going to fold it and again make my table wobble because I'm using a card table. And that is all there is to this adorable Valentine's Day card. And here are the options once again. And made exactly the same way are these 3 teacup Alice in Wonderland cards. You have Alice in the teacup and a tag that says, "Have a wonderful birthday." And then you have the Cheshire Cat, who says, "How curious, it's your birthday." And lastly, we have the White Rabbit, who says, "I'm late for a very important birthday." And I attached these sayings with ribbon. You can do the same with the Valentine's cards. And to secure that bow, I put just a drop of Elmer's glue. And that's all there is to these. I hope you had fun crafting with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Don't forget to get these designs on the Silhouette Design Store. And if you're wanting to make a purchase from Silhouette America, don't forget to use my affiliate code by Catherine Spencer at checkout. Thank you so much and have a great day.